12 by 12 Fast2Fab refill pages come in a variety of designs. What makes this refill page unique is the fact that it already has a printed design on the page. You can see here that photos have been applied directly to the page, but you have that nice design in the background. This makes it quick to do pages, or if you're just starting out, it gives you a beautiful page design with little effort put in. You'll notice in your 12 by 12 refill pack here that behind the pages, you will receive page protectors. You'll get 16 pages and 16 page protectors. These protectors are clear and they go directly over your page to protect it over time so that it can last for generations. Our 12 by 12 Fast2Fab refill pages feature that same durable edge that you have come to know and love from CreativeMemories refills. And they also have here the 2 stitches that only pair with the CreativeMemories album system. So you'll want to put the 12 by 12 refill page into a 12 by 12 CreativeMemories album.